Manipur Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Sindoknaba Prime Minister Cherol Pisinkhi Hairiba adu mahak oinadi Karigumba Amatta Khangde haina Minister Thongam Biswajit na paomee sing na phongdoklamle Minister Thongam Biswajit ki wafam ase ngasi ahanba Manipur Rifles ki parade ground pangthokhiba Manipur Police ki chamaga kunthahumdai shuba rising day ki thoram loiraba matung paomee sing na hangba wahang amagi paukumda mahak na phongdokhibane Thoram adu loiraba matung paomee sing na Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren singadabani haina ruling the Laiba MLA Taraga Mapani Kudek Yauba Cherol Ama, Prime Minister the Pisinkhi. Cherol Aduda Minister Masamaki Kudek Sui Yawi Haina Hangbo Wahang Ama Mabung Fadangida, Minister Biswajit na Hai. Hiram Adugi Patang da Yamna Tena Kumlabada Mahak Karishu Khangde, Masida Mahaki Oina Karishu Hainingai Litia Haina Kumlake. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Sindoknaba Prime Minister da Pisinkhi Hairiba MLA Taraga Mapan Kudek Yauba Cherol Ado, Kadai forward to me Netraga, Lali Haina paomee sing na Makatana Amo, Minister Thongam Biswajit Hangke. Wahang Adugi Paukum Piraduna, Minister Biswajit na Phongdoklamle, Hiram Asida Mahaki Oiba, Karigumba Amatta Khangde, Mahak experts in the day, Wafam Asidi experts in the Tamgadabani Haina Phongdoklamle. Panbayabade, Manipur totally by Irang Asigi Marushin Puraknaba, conducted New Delhi, the Minister of Home Affairs na Silaga, Maite, Naga Amadi Kuki Jog elected members singing about Mifam Aba, how Kibatang Taraga Panga Pangke. Mifam Adun Wereba Matung, no Mandini Rom Neraga, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Sindoknaba, Rulingi BJP MLA Taraga Mapan Kudek Biba Cherol Ama, Prime Minister Narendra Modi the Pisinkhi Haibu Wafam Amaturoke. Hairiba Cherol Adu social media ki tungan platform sing da viral oirakhibaga loinana media da forward report tawnakke. Social media da viral oirakliba Cherol adu da elected member ahumge khudek yaurumke. Maduda Minister Biswajit ke khuyek chu yaurumkibane. Amaromda paomee singna ngaihak unaba aduda Minister Biswajit na phongdoklambada state ase drug free oinabagi padamda state police na achowa thodang tawduna poppy pambi sing mang tahanbagi thabak akan wong chathare. Masida tongan furup ke biyoy sina Forest Department amadi State Police ta angamba mateng pangi haibu wafam so bahana makha taramke.
I told you I don't have any idea. That's it. In short, I can't say that. I'm not an expert on that. The expert will tell that was the real or not. Or nationally, the Prime Minister has directed to all the states to have to destroy and completely. The free drug-free to make the drug-free state. So whatever we have been taken is to destroy the property only. That has been assisted by the police department mainly, and other community also. They have been giving us the information, and all accordingly we have been sending all kind of the forces along with the forest department and destroying, and they have how much they have been destroying to police DGP already mentioned in his speech, and I have already mentioned in my speech.